The muwahid is the one who doesn't see the asbab. يُبْصِرَ الْخَالِقَ فِي الْمَرْزُوقِ. It's the one that sees the Creator in the creation. وَيُبْصِرَ الرَّازِقَ فِي الْمَرْزُوقِ. And he sees the provision, the provider in the provision. So when he's eating, he sees where the provision comes from. That's Tawheed. And that's why, what does he put in his book on Tawheed? He puts with it tawakkul. Tawakkul. Trusting. Because when you know God, you trust God. When you have Tawheed, you trust God. Look at the dua of the Prophet. وَمِنَ الْيَقِينِ مَا تُهَوِّنُ بِهِ عَلَيَّ مَصَائِبَ الدُّنْيَا. Give me from certainty what will make the tribulations of this world easy for me. So if you have yaqeen, if you have certainty, the tribulations of the world become easy. They're not difficult. But when you don't have certainty, every little thing, إِنَّ الْإِنسَانَ خُلِقَ هَلُوعًا. So anxiety is part of the human condition. The only thing that reduces anxiety, tranquility, is, according to this civilization, not this one here in Turkey, but increasingly, but according to our civilization, where most of it are coming from, is anxiolytics. Right? You take Valium and you take all these nice drugs that just calm you down, and you know everything. Oh, mood altering drugs. I feel fine. Right? That's what they do. In fact, a lot of people in the West, they say if they start meditating, they have anxiety attacks. Seriously, from meditation. A lot of people, that's the state they're in. It's so bad that if they actually stop and just turn everything off and start just relaxing and breathing, they get anxiety attacks. I need to make a phone call. Where's my iPhone? You know, turn on the TV quick. Right? Because it's all outward stimulation that is putting them in these states where they don't have to think about anything. And so that state of anxiety that people find themselves in is only relieved by certainty. And that Tawheed is what gives you that certainty, that everything that happens is from Allah. There's nothing to worry about. You're in good hands. The universe is in good hands. Everything is going according to plan. That doesn't mean that you don't change what's wrong and work in the world and try to do what you can, but you do it with that deep knowledge so that it doesn't destroy you. Because so many people out there working and struggling become debilitated, become crestfallen, become cynical. There's so many people that the world makes them cynical. I saw a man with a t-shirt that said, "Losing faith in humanity, one man at a time." That was his t-shirt. Losing faith in humanity, one person at a time. You know. And that's their experience of the world. And so they become cynical. But if you have certainty and you know, جَعَلْنَا بَعْضَكُمْ لِبَعْضٍ فِتْنَةً أَتَصْبِرُونَ, we made some of you a test for others. Allah made some of you a test for others. Family is a test. Right? Everybody knows that. You can nod. It's a big fitna, family. Brothers and sisters, sometimes fathers and mothers, they're a tribulation for people. But Allah says, will you show patience? Because they're there to teach you. They're there to learn. Your children are there to teach you patience. And if you have rahmah, part of rahmah is patience. If you have mercy, you're patient. So he says Tawheed is misunderstood.